Welcome to English for Kids Academy.
Hi, Liam. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog named Matt.
A dog? That's awesome.
He's my best friend. Do you have a pet too?
Yes, I have a cat, Bella.
Wow, she must be fluff.
Yes, and she loves to sleep. It's time to feed Bella. What does she eat? She likes fish and milk.
Yum, lucky cat. Max is hungry too. What will you give him? Dog food and clean water.
He must love that.
I walk Max every morning.
Does he like walking? What's Max doing now?
He's playing fetch.
Throw the ball again.
Go, Matt, good boy. What does Bella play with?
She loves her yarn ball.
That must look funny.
Yes, she rolls it everywhere.
I'm giving Max a bath today. Does he like water? Not at all. He hides.
Haha, just like Bella. I brush Bella every day.
Her fur must be shiny.
Yes, soft and clean.
She's a pretty cat. Max went to the vet today.
Is he okay?
Yes, just a checkup.
Good pets need care.
Max can sit and roll.
Wow, that's so cool.
He learned with treats.
Smart dog indeed. Bella is sleeping now.
She looks so peaceful. Max loves dog biscuits.
Bella likes cat treats.
They both love snacks.
Yes, just like us. Let's go to the park.
Can Bella come too?
Yes, in her carrier.
Max will love that. Look, Max met another dog.
They're playing together.
Dogs make friends fast. So do cats, sometimes.
Bella spilled her food again.
Oh no, Max does that too.
Let's clean it up.
Good pet owners always do. And play with them daily.
They make us so happy. Time to sleep, Bella.
Good night, Max. Sweet dreams.
Pets need rest too.
We love our furry friends.